What are we gonna do? What are these two?
Yeah.
Do they make bubbles? Want to see bubbles? Ready?
What purple?
Bubbles. Look at the fizzing. What's it doing?
Is there crabs?
What's it doing?
Is there crab?
Is it what?
Is there crab, Daddy?
Is it what?
Is there crab?
Is it crap? No, it's not crap. It's Alka-Seltzer.
Is there orange saucer?
Alka-Seltzer.
What is this? The man?
It's fizzing. Bubbles.
I want that.
What do you want? You want gummies?
That is that.
You want a snack? Well, you want gummies?
That's that.
What kind of snack do you want?
What's that?
What kind? Do you want... Ooh, do you want pancakes with syrup?
No.
What do you want?
What's that?
Okay. Let's see what we got. What do we got? Ooh, gummies. Alright. Calm down. Want a crusher?
No.
What do you want? We don't have any fruit snacks. They're all gone. Let's see. Do we have any... Oh, they're all gone too. Okay, signing off. Say I love you.
I love you.